we are fully equipped and fully committed to delivering the highest quality for EC3 starting from day one.
Think electric cars are too big and too expensive? Well, the upcoming Citroen EC3 is here to challenge that notion, promising to be one of the most budget-friendly and compact electric cars hitting the market next year. Citroën, a prominent French automaker, is stepping up to the plate, taking on the influx of competitively priced Chinese electric vehicles, many of which come in at less than $40,000. Unfortunately, this pocket-friendly gem won't be making its way to Australia. In a market where affordability meets innovation, the EC3 is poised to compete head-to-head with the MG4, which has set new standards for reasonably priced electric cars. Citroen's latest offering, the EC3, is not just about breaking into the electric car scene, but aims to redefine what's possible in terms of affordability for small electric cars, giving competitors like the Vauxhall Corsa Electric a run for their money. So, what are some of the features that we should expect from this car? In a time when SUVs reign supreme with their robust allure and elevated driving positions, Citroën has ingeniously moulded the EC3 to echo the rugged charm of a small SUV rather than a typical hatchback. This electric marvel stands as the first embodiment of Citroën's fresh design language and logo, a glimpse we caught in the Ollie Concept 2022. The new styling exudes a boxier and more resilient vibe than its predecessor, the outgoing Citroën C3. The EC3 proudly boasts an upright stance and intricately sculpted bodywork, signalling a departure from the conventional hatchback design. Elevating its SUV-esque persona, the EC3 showcases a generous ground clearance of 163mm, 6.4 inches, adorned with plastic cladding, roof rails and decorative skid plates. These elements collectively transform the EC3 into a striking B SUV, blurring the lines between a small hatchback and a robust SUV. The substantial wheels are complemented by robust plastic wheel arch extensions, presenting a robust and dynamic facade. The rear end, tall and squared off, adds to the visual appeal and promises ample interior headroom for an enhanced driving experience. The Citroën EC3 doesn't just navigate the roads, it makes a statement with every turn, showcasing a design that seamlessly blends the best of both worlds. Clocking in at 19mm longer, 6mm wider and approximately 80mm taller than its predecessor, the outgoing C3, this electric wonder carves out its unique space on the road. Interestingly, despite its enhanced proportions, the EC3 manages to maintain a more compact footprint compared to the expanding C3 Aircross, a family-friendly model that is set to grow even larger in its next generation iteration, complete with a teased 7-seater cabin. For those who like to add a personal touch to their ride, the new Citroën EC3 offers a palette of 5 captivating body colours: Polar White, Monte Carlo Blue, Elixir Red, Mercury Grey and Perla Nera Black. Elevating the customization game, the Plus and Max models present an option for a contrasting roof colour, available in either black or white. But that's not all. The new Citroën EC3 Plus and Max take it up a notch with decorative roof rails and front and rear skid plates, ensuring that your electric journey is efficient and a style statement on the move. Step inside the new Citroën EC3 and you'll find a refreshingly different design philosophy. Departing from the conventional, it embraces a more minimalist and open plan layout, placing a premium on creating a comfortable, spacious and inviting cabin. Meet the C-Zen Lounge, the heart of the EC3's interior, characterised by a clean and uncluttered dashboard that introduces the innovative Citroën head-up display. This clever feature reflects essential vehicle information onto a glossy black section between the top of the dash and the bottom of the windscreen, providing a futuristic touch to your driving experience. Complementing this modern approach is a compact new steering wheel, reminiscent of contemporary Peugeot models, ensuring a clear and unobstructed view of the driver. At the centre of attention on the EC3's dashboard is a 10.25-inch touchscreen adorned with a row of physical buttons beneath it, ensuring a tactile and user-friendly interface. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, This feature is a staple in all but the base new Citroen C3U versions, which boasts a clever smartphone station instead. Now let's talk about seating, since the EC3 doesn't compromise on comfort. The new Citroen C3 offers advanced comfort seats, a pinnacle of relaxation with an additional layer of foam that provides a welcoming soft feel as soon as you settle in. These seats are not just a treat for short drives, they promise to remain supple and supportive even on those longer journeys, ensuring a comfortable ride. In a departure from a small car norm, the EC3 adopts an SUV-like layout, mounting the seats a substantial 100mm higher. This elevated position not only grants passengers a more commanding view of the surroundings, but also makes getting in and out a breeze. The Citroen E3 doesn't just transport you, it cocoons you in a space that seamlessly blends style, innovation and comfort for an unparalleled electric driving experience. The rear, in particular, is a haven of comfort, offering more elbow room than the typical vehicles in this category. It also has a generous rear knee room, surpassing the average by at least 20mm, earning it the coveted status of best-in-class spaciousness. Beyond its roomy interiors, the EC3 doesn't compromise on practicality. The sizable 310-litre boot is spacious and well-shaped, with over a metre of space between the rear wheel arches. For added flexibility, all versions of the new Citroen EC3, except the base model, feature a convenient 60/40 split rear seat, ensuring that you can adapt the space to suit your cargo needs. When it comes to safety, the 2024 Citroen EC3 electric car is designed to provide peace of mind on the road. Equipped with an active safety brake that operates from 5 to 135 km an hour, it serves as an emergency braking system, significantly reducing the risk of injuries to both vehicle occupants and pedestrians or cyclists. The ride is made even more comfortable with the inclusion of advanced comfort suspension and progressive hydraulic cushions as standard features. The safety suite includes features like lane departure assist, speed sign recognition, standard cruise control, auto headlights, rear parking sensors, manual air conditioning and 6 airbags in certain models. These comprehensive safety measures contribute to creating a secure driving environment, ensuring that the occupants of the Citroen EC3 electric car are well protected on their journeys. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about arriving securely and comfortably in a vehicle that prioritizes your safety at every turn. Underneath the hood, or rather beneath the sleek design of the new Citroen EC3, lies a cutting-edge electric motor and a 44 kWh battery pack that's set to redefine your driving experience. This dynamic combination propels the EC3 to a noteworthy WLTP range of up to 199 miles, making it a compelling choice for those seeking an eco-friendly and efficient ride. What's particularly striking about the EC3's battery is its innovative design, which is poised to make its mark across other models in the Stellantis empire. More than just a power source, this battery boasts an impressive 100 kilowatt DC rapid charge capability. In practical terms, this means a rapid top-up from 20 to 80% in just 26 minutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time on the road fully charged and ready to go. For those tech enthusiasts, the new Citroen EC3 comes with a fully connected Citroen eRoutes app. This intelligent companion assists drivers in calculating the most energy-efficient routes, offering real-time charging network data on the move. It's not just an electric car, it's a connected experience that puts control and information at your fingertips. The pricing of the new Citroen EC3 is set to revolutionise the landscape of small electric cars in the UK, with a confirmed starting price of under £23,000. This competitive price starkly contrasts the nearly £34,000 tag on the cheapest new Vauxhall Corsa Electric, highlighting the affordability that the EC3 brings to the market. While an exact UK release date is yet to be confirmed, the EC3 is slated to be launched during the second quarter of 2024, making a UK release in the summer of 2024 a highly anticipated prospect. There are also plans to introduce an even more affordable variant of the new Citroen EC3 starting from 2025. This version is expected to feature a smaller battery with a range of approximately 125 miles, potentially costing less than £17,500. These forward-looking initiatives make the EC3 an enticing option for the present and signal a commitment to expanding accessibility to electric vehicles in the future. That's all from this video. What do you think about the Citroen EC3 electric car? Is it something you would like to own? Comment below, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.